Okay, so today I have unboxing of this really interesting device, flint2 AX6000 wireless router from GLI in inet. Really interesting device. From the back, this is how the box look like. Not much information on the back, so let's just open this and let's see what is inside. How that will go out, maybe like this. So when we open this, when we push this, actually, what is coming out of this, we have a black box here. Let me open that. How to actually open this, like this. Okay, so we are opening this from the front. We are opening this like that. Let me just show you. I don't know, can you see it? Maybe like that, maybe like this. And here is what we have in that box. Let's get started. Instruction and instruction how to actually set up your router. So simple: power on, connect, plug in, connect via Wi-Fi, set up router on 8.1, actually, usually 0.1, but here is 8.1. Then we have USB 3 port on the back, LED, light, LAN port, power port, reset button, repair, reset, technical support. I'm not sure if you can read this here, but I just will show this. So here we have installation. It's going to be useful. Connect with GLI inet, access member, benefit and stay updated. Actually, I shouldn't show you this. I will probably need to blur this off. Here is the router itself. And let me just take this off. Router with the, oh, that's interesting, with the switch. Here is another connector, and here we have the charger with the cable inside. So actually I'm curious what the cable type is. So here we have Cat6 UTP, I don't know, okay, if you can see this, Cat6 UTP 26A WG cable. Okay, so it should support 2.5 Ethernet cable. So that's what we have here. Here we have the charger and charger with the connectors that we are interested in. I will go with this one. Okay. Here what we have, lock, snap, and this is actually already set for connection. I will move the cable away and let's look at our guests. So here we have antennas. Antennas are not removable. Let's remove that cover, and here is the router itself. Okay, so just put it back. On the back we have two 1 connections, so one 2.5 gigabit connection, one or LAN connection 2.5 gigabit as well, so this is actually useful. And those LAN from 2 to 5, there are 1 gigabit. So we have already on the market flint3 that have that with the connection 2.5 gigabit, but with Qualcomm, unfortunately on the flint3 there is Qualcomm CPU, if I'm not mistaken. Here is like a MediaTek CPU on this model, so it's more mature, the software is more mature, and it's way more stable. So that's why it is still worth to go for this model. And what do we have here? Like antennas, And that's pretty much it. There was only this USB type 3 as well. I don't know if you can catch zoom here. And for this USB Type-C, you can connect, for example, some external SSD and turn these into a NAS drive, even like some simple NAS drive without any redundancy, because this would be only one disk. But still, you can think about some use cases here, because you can set it up in some interesting way. So it's nice addition. If you will have on top of that the GLI inet, they also have these small travel routers. If you will have the one of those, you can connect them together. So even if you will travel, they will connect through VPN, and you will basically have the IP address from your home when using that connection. Alright, so that's pretty much it for unboxing. That's how this look like. Nothing crazy and nothing complicated. Interesting router. I will start testing this, and maybe I will do some video after about the performance of the router itself, or maybe I'll just leave this unboxed. If I will don't do any video, that will mean that the router was just fine. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.